Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a science class for class 7 student. Today our topic is cellular organization of plants and animals. This is chapter 2. So let's start today's class. We have already discussed some topic based on this chapter in our previous class. Now I will discuss the other part of this chapter. Our topic is characteristics and functions of plant tissues. Body of an organism may be unicellular or multicellular. That means organisms which are made of only one cell is called unicellular. All physiologic activities like nutrition, excretion, respiration and reproduction are performed in one cell only. Organisms with a number of cells are called multicellular organisms. Tissues which make the body structure are classified and show division of labor. If all the cells would perform the same physiologic functions at a time, irregularities would prevail in structural variations and physiologic activities of the organisms. So, to ensure smooth life activities of organisms, different type of cells form groups to act unitedly. If a number of cells more or less similar in size and shape with same origin and perform the same functions and stay in group are called tissue. Now, plant tissue. Plant and animal body is composed of different types of tissues. Different types of tissues perform different specific functions. Depending on the capacity of cell division, tissues are classified into meristematic tissues and permanent tissues. Meristematic tissues. Tissues whose cells have the ability to divide are called meristematic tissues. They are found in developing regions of the plant, especially at the apical regions of stem and root. You can see here is a meristematic tissue cell. We can see here is the center of this cell is nucleus and this is cell wall and this is cytoplasm of this cell. Function. Meristematic tissue gives rise to new cells and tissues due to continuous division. It increases the height and growth of plants. Meristematic tissue form new tissues. Our next topic is permanent tissues. Mature tissues originating from meristematic tissues having definite shape and incapable of dividing are called permanent tissues. Permanent tissues are found in almost every part of plants. Here is a permanent tissue. You can see this tissue cell wall is very thick, not like our meristematic tissues picture. And this is cell vacuole and this is cytoplasm and the center of this cell is nucleus. Function. Production and transport of food, construction of body and strengthen the plant. Characteristics and functions of animal tissue. In multicellular animals, when a number of cells unite to form a group and perform a certain work are called tissues. Aims of these cells may be the same but their shape, size and structures may vary. It depends on nature of work of the cell and tissue. Animal bodies are made of different types of tissues such as 1 number epithelial tissues, 2 number connective tissues, then muscular tissues, last one nervous tissues. Epithelial tissues, tissue that makes the open areas of the body and make up the internal covering is called epithelial tissue. For example, internal layer of our cheek are made of epithelial tissue. Different glands of the body are also made of epithelial tissues. Characteristics of epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissues are arranged in one or more strata, that means more layers. Next one is cells are arranged on a thin foundation membrane. Next one is these type of tissues do not have any intercellular matrix. Function. These tissues protect the internal and external organs from injury. Stomach and intestinal epithelial tissues secrete gastric juice. Next topic is muscular tissue. We can move few muscles in our wheel such as muscles of hands and legs. But there are muscles which we cannot move at our will. This type of muscles move voluntarily at their will, such as muscles of stomach. From this discussion, we learn that muscles are of two types, such as voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. Voluntary muscles. When we bend our elbow, muscles of the upper arm contract and draw lower arm and make it bend. Muscles that we can contract and expand at our will and make our organs move are called voluntary muscles. Number of voluntary muscles in human body is more. These muscles stick to the bone and help to move the organ. Involuntary muscles. Transportation of food stuff in digestive tract is the responsibilities of the intestinal muscles. We do not have any control on these types of muscles. It means the muscles that do not contract at our will are called involuntary muscles. Cardiac muscles. For example, cardiac muscles are another category of specialized involuntary muscles. Our heart is made by cardiac muscles. These muscles supply blood to the whole body by alternate contraction and relaxation in a self-control rhythm. Only heart is constituted with this type of muscle. Next topic is connective tissue. The connective tissue established connection among different tissues and organs. These tissues are mainly solid, liquid or fatty. Blood, bone, cartilage and fatty tissues are the examples of connective tissue. Nerve tissue. Tissues of an organism that on responding to stimuli can create appropriate sensation are called nerve tissue. That means this nerve tissue receives stimulation from nature. Neuron is the unit of nerve tissue. Brain is constituted with numerous neurons. Every neuron is composed of 3 parts such as cell body, dendron and axon. Here is a picture of a neuron. You can see star-like shape is dendrite, and this shape, here is cell body. This one is cell body and this one is whole axon. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice at home and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.